In this video, I'm going to show how to play practice mode in Stumble Guys. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are on phone or if you are on your computer, doesn't matter. And I will point out that you need to have 2 accounts to make this, okay, to play practice mode. It is because you need to create a party, and to create a party and play you need to have at least 2 players on the party. Or you can also invite your friend and ask your friend to stay still. But I recommend the first option. You can use your phone and your computer, so you can use 2 accounts at the same time. So come right here on party, click on a normal game or a custom game if you want. Okay, I will use the first one. And right here you need to invite your other account to play with you, or use a room code to join in the party. Then, for example, if I click right here, you can see that you need to have at least 2 players required to start. Now, to play a practice mode, you need to play a solo party. To play a solo party, you need to have at least 2 players. Then I recommend again that you create another account. I hope I helped you on how to play practice mode in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.